How are you? I hope you all are safe at home, no children? Yes. Who am I? I am your English teacher. Okay. Today topic is English lesson 4th lesson. What is the lesson name, children? Come on, say. Yes. Lesson number 4. Lesson number 4th lesson. Video number 18. What is the subject? English. English subject. Video number 18. 4th lesson. What is the lesson name? Did you remember, children? Going to school. Going to school. Going to school. Going to school. Are you going to school nowadays? No, you are not going to school. Why? Why? Because yes, this is coronavirus is spreading around us. That's why from 3 months onwards, you all are stay at home only. Okay, na? Yes. Now, after completion of the corona situation, we all are going to school. Are you ready to go to school? Yes, you all are going to school. Today topic is going to school. Today topic is going to school. Okay, going to school. Here, what is the boy name? What is the boy name, children? Yes, the boy name is Kapil. What is the boy name? The boy name is Kapil. The spelling of the Kapil, Kapil. Kapil. The boy name is Kapil. Okay. Now, Kapil, how old is Kapil? Kapil is 6 years old. Kapil is 6 years old. He is going to school every day. He is going to school. He never absent. He is going to school every day. Okay. Now, Kapil is doing any work. He is did on time. Kapil is did the work, any work on time. Okay. Now, he is very punctual in his work. He is very punctual in his work. Already I said no. What is the meaning of punctual? One who does work on time. One who does work on time. That is the punctual. Okay. Kapil is punctual on his work. He gets up early in the morning. He gets up early in the morning. He gets up late, ma? No, he did not get up late. He gets up early in the morning. He go to the morning walk. Morning walk is good for health, no? That's why Kapil is going to the morning walk every morning. In the morning walk, what is doing? He is doing light exercise also. He did some light exercises also. Okay. Now after come to the home, where he going morning walk? Outside. He is going outside. In the house only? No, he is going outside. Why? Why? Because outside fresh air is there, no? Yes, fresh air getting the trees and plants. That's why he is going outside only. Okay, he come to the house. What he is doing? He brush his teeth and take the bath and wear neat uniform and arranges books, notebooks, everything is in his pack. Next onwards, what he is doing? He taking breakfast. What is taking in the breakfast? Bread and butter, milk and eggs taking in the breakfast. Okay. Now he take the bag and going to home. He reaches the school on time. He reaches the school on time. The school is near his Kapil house. Okay, near Kapil house. That's why he is going by on foot. On foot. He is going to school on foot. On foot means what I say? Yes, by walking. On foot means what is the meaning of on foot? By walking. Okay. He is going to school by walking. Why? Because the school is near his house. The school is near his house. What is the meaning of near? Daggara. Near means daggara. See, now I am standing near the board. I am standing near the blackboard. No, I am for the blackboard. No, I am near the blackboard. Near means daggara. The school is near his house. Goodbye. He said to his mother, goodbye. G-O-D, good. B-Y-E, bye. Goodbye. Okay. Now, all the teachers like the Kapil very much. Why? Kapil is very good boy, no? He did all works in time only. Homeworks will do regularly, go to school regularly. He wear neat and clean uniform. He respect our teachers. That's why Kapil likes all teachers very like. Okay now? Now, today this is the lesson. Once remember the lesson. Already completed this lesson. Once remember. Okay. Now today I will revise the hard words in this lesson. Revise the hard words. Okay, children. Now let's start the hard words. Hard words means difficult words. Okay, hard words. Hard words in this lesson. Now, what is the name of the lesson? Going to school. What is the name of the lesson? Going to school. Now, hard words. Once revise the hard words, children. What are the hard words in this lesson? First one is student. First one is student. Come on, look at the board clearly. I will write on the spelling on the board. Student. S-T-U-D-E-N-T. Student. Who is student in this lesson? Who is student? Yes, Kapil is a student. Kapil is a student, no? Kapil is a teacher? No. Who is Kapil? Kapil is a student. Student means learn in the school. Learn very different things in the school. Okay? Very new things. Student. S-T-U-D-E-N-T. Student. Come on. Listen. You say all children along with me. Student. S-T-U-D-E-N-T. Student. Come on. Look at the board very carefully. S-T-U-D-E-N-T. Student. Okay. S-T-U-D-E-N-T. Student. Now let's start the second one. Second one is everyday. Second one is everyday. Everyday means daily. Everyday. Are you going to school every day? Yes. Are you bath every day? Yes. Are you brush your teeth every day? Yes. Every day. E-V-E-R-Y. Every. Come on, look at the word. E-V-E-R-Y. Every. D-A-Y day. Every day. E-V-E-R-Y. Every. D-A-Y day. Every day. Every day means, what is the meaning of every day? Daily. Okay. Here in this lesson, Kapil is going to school every day. Kapil is going to school every day. E-V-E-R-Y. Every. D-A-Y day. Every day. Are you doing homework every day? Yes. All are doing homework every day, no? Yes. E-V-E-R-Y. Every. D-A-Y day. Every day. E-V-E-R-Y. Every. D-A-Y day. Every day. Now, third one is, first one is student. Second one is everyday. Now, third one is punctual. Already I said no? Punctual. P-U-N-C-T-U-A-L. Punctual. Come on. P-U-N-C-T-U-A-L. Punctual. What is the spelling of punctual? P-U-N-C-T-U-A-L. Punctual. Punctual means one who does work on time. Okay. Here who is punctual? Kapil. Kapil is punctual on his work. Okay. M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. Okay, morning. What is the spelling of morning? M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. Now next fifth one. Fifth one, number 5. Exercise. Number 5, exercise. E-X, E-R, C-I-S-E, exercise. E-X, E-R-C-I-S-E, exercise. E-X, E-R-C-I-S-E, exercise. E-X, E-R-C-I-S-E, exercise. E-X, E-R-C-I-S-E, exercise. Okay, once repeated children, exercise. Here, Kapil is doing small exercise, very light exercise in the morning walk time, no? Yes, he going to morning walk. He did some light exercise also. Say some exercise, swimming, skipping, jogging, running. These are some light exercise, cycling. Okay. Now, again once look at the board children. What is the first word? What is the first word? Student. What is the first word? Student. S-T-U-D-E-N-T. Student. What is the first word children? S-T-U-D-E-N-T. Student. Who is student in the lesson? Kapil is student. Kapil is a student. You all are students only, no? Yes, you all children also students only. Now every day. What is the second pronunciation? Every day. What is the pronunciation? Every day. E-V-E-R-Y. Every D-A-Y day. Every day. Again. E-V-E-R-Y. Every D-A-Y day. Every day. Every day. Now third one is punctual. Third one is punctual. P-U-N-C-T-U-A-L. Punctual. P-U-N-C-T-U-A-L, punctual. P-U-N-C-T-U-A-L, punctual. Okay, children, what is the spelling of punctual? P-U-N-C-T-U-A-L, punctual. Now, fourth one is morning. What is the pronunciation? Morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. What is the spelling? M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. Come on, look at the board clearly. M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. Now fifth one is exercise. Exercise. E-X-E-R-C-I-S-E, exercise. E-X-E-R-C-I-S-E, exercise. E-X-E-R-C-I-S-E, exercise. Okay, next sixth one. Now, come on, look at the word. Sixth one is uniform. U-N-I-F-O-R-M. Uniform. Uniform. Who is wear uniform in this lesson? Kapil. Kapil wear uniform. Clean and neat uniform wear and go to school now. Are you wear uniform? Go to school? Yes, we all are wear uniform and go to the school. Not only your students, some job holders also wear uniform. Doctors, nurses, postmen, policemen. These all are wear uniforms. Uniform means for special dress. This is the special dress. Simply identify wearing the uniform. Okay? Now, what is the spelling of uniform? U-N-I-F-O-R-M. Uniform. U-N-I-F-O-R-M. Uniform. U-N-I-F-O-R-M. Uniform. Okay? Form. Here are silent form. Uniform. Uniform. U-N-I-F-O-R-M. Uniform. Come on, say again. U-N-I-F-O-R-M. Uniform. U-N-I-F-O-R-M. Uniform. Now seventh one is arranges. Arranges. Arranges means put in order. To put in order. Arranges. A-R Bag is arranging. Okay, now arranges. A-R-R-A-N-G-E-S. Arranges. Come on again. What is the spelling of arranges? A-R-R-A-N-G-E-S. Arranges. A-R-R-A-N-G-E-S. Arranges. Okay, children. This is the uniform. Next, seventh one is arranges. Now, eighth one is breakfast. Breakfast. B-R-E-A-K break. B-R-E-A-K break. F-A-S-T fast. Breakfast. Already explained in this lesson this word. What is the meaning of breakfast? What is the meaning of breakfast? You take food in the morning. Food taken in the morning. Okay. Breakfast. Tiffin. You will say no tiffin. Morning tiffin. You are eating tiffin. Yes, that is the breakfast. Breakfast. B-R-E-A-K break. F-A-S-T fast. Breakfast. B-R-E-A-K break. F-A-S-T fast. Breakfast. Come on, once repeat the spelling. B-R-E-A-K break. F-A-S-T fast. Breakfast. Come on, what is the pronunciation? Breakfast. 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 B-R-E-A-K-F-A-S-T. Breakfast. B-R-E-A-K-F-A-S-T. Breakfast. Okay. Now, ninth one is school. S-C, you know the spelling already. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. Here who is going to school? Kapil. Kapil is going to school now. That is the lesson going to school. The lesson name is going to school. The lesson name is going to school. School. What is the spelling of school? S-C-H-O-O-L. School. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. Now tenth one is teachers. Yes, who is there in the school? Teachers and students only, no. Already here student is there. Now here teacher. Teachers and students are there in the school. Teachers. T-E-A-C-H-E-R-S. Teachers. See, I am a teacher. I am a teacher, no, I am a English teacher. Yes, teachers. Only one teacher only here, one, I am only one. That's a teacher. English teacher, science teacher, social teacher, maths teacher. All teachers are there means what you say? Teachers. This is the plural form of the teacher. Okay. Now teacher. What is the spelling of teacher? T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R-S. Teachers. T-E-A-C-H-E-R-S. Teachers. Okay, children? Teachers. Teachers, what are we doing in the teachers, children? Teachers teach the lessons in the school. Teachers teach the lessons in the school. Now I teach you your lesson, no English lesson. I am a teacher. I teach the lesson. What is the lesson name? Going to school. What is the subject? English. What is the subject? English. These all are 10 hard words in this lesson. Once again repeat the words, Amma. Once repeat the words. Once see the board. Student. S-T-U-D-E-N-T. Student. S-T-U-D-E-N-T. Student. Now, every day. E-V-E-R-Y. Every D-A-Y day. Every day. E-V-E-R-Y. Every D-A-Y day. Every day. Next one, punctual. P-U-N-C-T-U-A-L. Punctual. P-U-N-C-T-U-A-L. Okay. Next sixth one is uniform. 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 Okay. Uniform. Now seventh one is arranges. 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 Now eighth one is breakfast. 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 Now ninth one is school. 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 Now tenth one is teachers. 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 Okay, did you understand all odd words in this lesson, children? Yes. You learn again at home and watch the television carefully. Okay. This is the 18th video. 18th video is hard words in this lesson. 18th video is hard words in this lesson. 10 hard words to read very well at home. Okay, children. Okay, I will start next video, next revision part. Goodbye.